Stand by for the latest episode of the Biz News Flash Briefing. The latest news from the world of business and investments.
I'm Jackie Cameron with your Biz News Flash Briefing. J&J vaccines have been approved for use in South Africa, according to Janssen Pharmaceuticals. The company says that the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority has granted registration with conditions for its single-dose COVID-19 vaccine. The company has not responded to requests to provide specific prices that will apply in South Africa. It said only in a statement that it is committed to making its vaccine available on a not-for-profit basis for emergency pandemic use. The South African Reserve Bank has seized about 20 million rand from the Nedbank account of Sahara Computers, reports My Broadband. Sahara Computers was owned and operated by the infamous Gupta family. The Guptas hired former President Jacob Zuma's son, Duduzane, as an IT specialist in 2007 and made his twin sister Duduzile a director at the company in the same year. The South African Reserve Bank has finally published a notice and order of forfeiture. The Independent Communications Authority of South Africa has published new regulations which require all telecoms licensees, including ISPs, to have black owners. An individual licensee must have a minimum of 30% of its ownership equity held by black people, says My Broadband. Should an ISP or telecoms provider not comply with these requirements, it faces severe penalties such as a fine of 5 million rand or 10% of annual turnover. AngloGold CEO Christine Ramon says the world's number 3 gold miner will not be rushed into any deals as the industry braces for a round of acquisitions. Gold miners are flush with cash after prices rose, fueled by investors seeking safe haven status amid the pandemic. Africa's biggest fund manager, the PIC, and AngloGold's largest investor, says any consolidation must benefit South Africa as well as shareholders. Sibanye-Stillwater CEO Neil Froneman recently floated the idea of a merger with peers AngloGold and Goldfields, arguing that consolidation is needed for South Africa's gold miners to compete globally.
You've been listening to the Biz News Flash Briefing, bringing you the latest news from the world of business and investments. Subscribe to Biz News Radio on iTunes, Spotify, Amazon, or by visiting biznews.com.